B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Beanie!
The nation's girl group, Beanie!
2, 3, mabuhay! We are Beanie! Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo! Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo! Yes, Ray! Yes! It's a traditional Filipino game na shaggity, shaggity, shapopo! Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo!
It's the effort that counts, right?
Emilio, grabe! Beanie is shaking! Emilio, grabe! Beanie is shaking! Emilio, grabe! Beanie is shaking!
Sino yung pinaka-competitive sa inyong lahat?
Mika. Ren, Ate Maloy. Ren, Ate Maloy. Ren, Ate Maloy. And Bebe. Mika, Ate Maloy.
Queen's Bebe.
Ate Maloy from Cavite!
It's the most competitive.
It's natural na marami akong magaling na...
Whoa!
I felt so confident.
Your favorite game to play as Beanie? Or
Trip to Jerusalem. Trip to Jerusalem. Trip to Jerusalem.
Taas kamay! Taas kamay!
I used to say I was competitive until All-Star Games happened. So.
Reaction mo sa mga ginagawa ni Rain during All-Star Games?
Sobra ako natuwa.
Sa first serve niya, anong reaction mo sa first?
Hindi ko nakita yung first serve. Nakita ko na lang siya nakahiga sa floor.
Nakahiga sa floor.
Actually, choreography po kasi yun.
Pwede pa sample?
Ooh, enough! I'm wearing a skirt! Competitive. Pero now, I just love to enjoy.
Pero bago kayo lumabas, di ba? Parang may ginagawa. Bago kayo lumabas, di ba? Parang may ginagawa boxing.
Yeah! Ayun, si Ate Mika's competitive, guys. Kasi we were playing
Wait
shadow
lang,
box.
kasi
Paano yung game na yan? Paano
yung
yung game na
rules
yan?
niya, hindi ko alam na may gaganon, tapos gaganon ulit, tapos, alam
Shadow boxing.
Yes.
Sapo
na ang shadow boxing.
Do you know this po? You know this? And then when you get the tama, oh, you know that?
When you
She
get the
doesn't
tama.
know it. Okay po, here po. 1, 2, 3. Okay, my turn. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, talo ka! Talo ka!
may sound
Talo ka!
effects kasi siya, kaya natatawa.
Sabay, okay, go.
Oh, you get it now.
What's that?
You might be slick, but you ain't slicker than me. 4, 3, 2, but I'm 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh.
Why did you get it? It's so hard to explain. Why did you get it? It's so hard to explain.
You get it, last one. You get it, last one. You get it, last one.
Kasi dapat, if you get it correct, you have to do it again, tapos choose another.
Why?
I love you
choose
too.
one na lang?
Why? I love you
choose
too.
one na lang?
Tama
Iba
na.
yung rules mo, Bunso.
That's why nahulog ako. That's why nadapa ako because I was trying to teach Ate Mika.
That's me 3 years
Hindi,
ago.
makulit lang talaga siya, kaya siya nahulog.
That was me 3 years ago.
Grabe talaga the next day, my bruises, bro. It was like more than 5, bro.
So,
At the end of the day, as long as we have fun, right? Yeah. So, are you having fun?
Yeah!
Save me, please. But because my shadow boxing here, they don't get it. But it's okay. It's Beanie. Do you know Shaggity Shaggy Shapopo? I have to calm down, I have to calm down. I have to calm down, I have to calm down. Calm down, I have to calm down.
Pasensya na nga, medyo energetic to si Rain eh. Medyo, anong pakiramdam din na when you guys...
Favorite music video na na-release you so far? Good question, right?
Favorite ninyo.
Ako din.
Yung favorite ninyo.
Ako din.
Yung favorite ninyo.
Ako din.
Si Akla.
Because sobrang hands-on natin nun eh. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Edit na yan ngayon. Edit na yan. Ang bloom.
Okay, next.
For your love, your support, your kindness, and thank you for taking the time out of your lives to be here with us tonight. This is not a goodbye, New York. We will see you again at the Philippine Independence Day Parade tomorrow. For your love, your support, your kindness, and thank you for taking the time out of your lives to be here with us tonight. This is not a goodbye. New York, we will see you again at Philippine Independence Day Parade tomorrow.
We went to a gold shop. We went to a gold shop.
Hindi totoo yan.